Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from Nagios and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you on how to get Apache logs into your Nagios Log Server so that you can quickly troubleshoot any problems with your web server or web server applications. This will be a quick video today, so let's just jump right on into it. In order to start getting our Apache logs into our Nagios Log Server, the first thing we'll obviously need to do is log into our instance of Nagios Log Server. And once we log in, we are met with a bunch of data all pertaining to our local host. This has nothing to do with anything outside of the local host. This is a brand new instance of log servers. That's why there's nothing here. So at the top right, we will click the Add Log Source button here, and then we will select Apache Server. Once you select your Apache server, you are met with two different methods of doing this, an automatic method and a manual method. In this video, we'll only be covering the automatic method. Now, before I continue, I want to point out the automatic method is only supported by these distributions right here. If you have anything outside of the listed distros, you'll have to use the manual method. So like I said, we will just take this top line and paste it into the machine where we have our web server running. So I will pull that up. I have a web server running on this CentOS 9 box here, so I will paste in that first command, hit enter, and then we will get our error logs sent over here to log server. So we'll copy that one, paste it in here, and then we will do the same thing with our access logs and paste it in. Both our error logs and our access logs getting sent over to log server. Looks like we didn't have any error logs in here. As you can see here, it didn't find them, which is fine. That's no big deal. We'll still have our access logs. Now I do want to point out that sometimes SE Linux can get in the way of sending logs to log server. So you'll have to make sure that your SE Linux is letting the log gets sent over. On this machine, as you can see, it is disabled, so we don't have to worry about that at all. Next, we will grab the IP of this machine right here, and we'll copy it and paste it into here. We might have to wait a little bit for the logs to get sent over, but we'll still put in the IP here to see if any have come through. It looks like 23 have come through already. So at the top, we can click Dashboards, and in our query, we can put in host, and put in that same IP address. And as you can see, we already have a bunch of Apache error logs that are coming in right here. So it looks like they did end up getting found, and here's our access logs down here. For a video on how to use the search queries and all that, we'll have a video down below, but that is how you get your Apache logs into Nagios Log Server. And that wraps up today's video on how to get Apache logs into your Nagios Log Server. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, please visit support.nagios.com for some more great documentation. Also, be sure to stop by our YouTube channel for some more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.